Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard for Windows 11 if you're using a tablet device. So let's get started. With your pen or finger, tap on to start and then settings. On the left hand side you will see accessibility. Tap onto that and then scroll down and then you will see keyboard and then enable on-screen keyboard, just like this. So you can switch it on and off with this taskbar icon here. So guys, I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.